See, in this they have given time, right? Time is how much? 4 microsecond. 4 microsecond means 4 into 10 raised to power minus 6. For the output voltage to change, there is a change in voltage. So how much is there a change in voltage? V input is minus V, and V out, like there is a change means we can consider that one also. 5 minus of minus 5, right? So it would be 10 volt, and we have to calculate slew rate. Remember the slew rate formula I told you? The formula for the slew rate is how much? Slew rate is equal to change in voltage divided by the change in time. So d by dt of V, d by dt of V out. So V out is how much? 10, right? There is a change in voltage. How much there is a change in voltage? 10 volt. There is a change in time. How much there is a change in time? 4 microseconds. So 4 into 10 raised to power minus 6. If we'll get solve it, then we'll get 2.5 volt per microsecond.